reimagining the analytics journey needs a new operating model. To help you deliver the experiences that Stefan just talked about, you need a complete platform that does three things: to bring together all of your data, to combine AI with BI, and to bring intelligence to where your users work. And this is what ThoughtSpot is all about. It starts with data management, the secure real-time backbone to all of your data, unifying that with compliance. Then we have the semantic models at the top, the trusted metrics layer that provides you consistent and secure metrics for everyone in the business. And we also have Analyst Studio, the creator space for your data teams to run SQL, run Python, mix the data, and dig deep into it. And then we bring all that to life with AI agents to basically have them to be always on, answering your questions, doing your research, and it's basically answer as a service. And then AI-Augmented Dashboards. Dashboards that just don't report on insights, they proactively surface them. Now, if you're a product leader on this particular session, all that comes together with intelligent apps, bringing these experiences together into your users' flow. And that's where I'll focus on today. But let's take a step back. Building apps is not easy. Most products today have very static experiences, right? They're not differentiated. They look a bit like everyone else's. Doesn't quite wow your customers. Some of you might be experiencing that today. So what happens? Well, I'll tell you how. Your customers start flooding your IT and support team with tickets, new dashboards, new reports. One more filter, please. One more column, please. The backlog keeps growing. Maybe you try to build something yourself. You know what happens. Your engineering team, they get stretched. Why? Because they're fighting now on two fronts. They're trying to build your core product roadmap, and they're trying to build a full analytics layer as well. It doesn't work out well. Maybe you go with a third-party vendor that gives static dashboards. Well, these experiences feel bloated, they feel bolted on, right? They don't give you the interactivity you need, and it looks nothing like the rest of your product. So what happens then? No one adopts it, no one uses it. Revenue gets left on the table. And before you know it, your velocity drops, your roadmap slows down, your competitive edge starts slipping away. So right on top of all of this, the AI wave is here. Your customers are asking you for it, your competitors are launching something with it, and you're trying to think, how do I deliver all of this in time to win the market? So if you're facing that, you're not alone. Most product leaders are facing that today, and let's be really clear, the answer is not the old way. You need a new way. You need a better standard. And what does Gartner say? Gartner predicts by 2026, over 80% of business consumers, your consumers, will prefer intelligent assistants and embedded analytics over dashboards for data-driven insights. So imagine that. 2/3 of your user base will be expecting intelligent experiences embedded in their workflows. So that's the new standard. That's the future of intelligent apps. And that's where the market is going today. And this is exactly where ThoughtSpot comes in. Today, we're unveiling the next generation ThoughtSpot Embedded. It's not BI copy-pasted into your apps, but intelligence that looks, feels, and acts like your product. Intelligence that's contextual, explainable, actionable, delivered right where your users work. And we deliver this through 4 core pillars: embedded intelligence, native experiences, seamless workflows, and a trusted and open ecosystem. The first of these pillars, embedded intelligence. Really, because at the end of the day, your customers don't want analytics sitting off by the side. They want intelligence right inside their apps, your apps. Why? Because most of the stuff we see out there today is just static dashboards, trapped in an iframe. Disconnected, non-interactive, far from intelligent. Your customers don't want that. So what do they want? They want AI agents. They want AI agents directly in your product UI so they can ask the questions themselves and get the answers that they need without leaving your product. They want AI-Augmented Dashboards, interactive, explainable, actionable, to help satisfy the data curiosity. If they see a data point that they're curious about, they should be able to go interact with that and ask questions. Imagine, as a product leader, finally realizing the promise of true self-service for your customers. And as you deliver these experiences, our SDKs and APIs allow you precision embedding so that you could embed the right kind of intelligence that you need. This is what embedded intelligence looks like, moving beyond the boundaries of traditional analytics. But intelligence is not enough. For it to truly work, it needs to feel a part of your product. That's why the next pillar is all about building and creating native experiences. With TSC, analytics will never feel bolted on. It feels a part of your product. With Muse Studio, your developers can create custom charts to extend beyond our native chart libraries. They can build any kind of charts that fits your use case to delight your users. And for styling and customization, we've got Developer Studio. Your design and developer teams have the best of both worlds in one studio. That means developers can build experiences and preview them directly inside the platform. Your design team, they can control the look and feel. They can match your brand without touching a single line of code. Fonts, colors, layouts, all that good stuff. It can be branded in clicks with instant previews. And finally, our mobile SDKs. All that great intelligent and native experiences that you build can be brought into any platform through Flutter, Swift, React Native, and Android. What that means is you get analytics that looks and feels at home into any mobile experience on day one. So this isn't analytics that's just embedded. It's native by design. But even when analytics feels native, your users don't want to just look at insights. They want to go do something with them. And that's where seamless workflows comes in, turning intelligence into action. So your users want workflows that work themselves. They help drive action. They help them make informed decisions. With custom events and actions, you can embed and trigger workflows into a multitude of apps, Slack, Salesforce, Jira, whatever app you're using, or maybe you can even have it interact with your host application in a two-way interactivity mode. With ThoughtSpot's MCP server, you can embed Spotter, our AI agent, extending its intelligence into any custom agent, any AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and so that you, as you build your custom agents, you have governed AI analytics in a consistent and secure manner. And with webhooks, you can connect to any external service, any external channel to automate workflows when something critical happens in your data. So this isn't intelligence in terms of data analysis, it's intelligence with data actionability. And our last pillar, really because none of the stuff I talked about matters if your intelligence is not governed, if it's not consistent across every experience, across every device. And that's why everything we built is on a trusted and open ecosystem. It runs anywhere. With TSC, security and governance is baked in, application access, authentication, column and row level security. It all works seamlessly with your frameworks. Our semantic layer provides the governed foundation for trusted metrics across your experiences. And at the very last item, ThoughtSpot is cloud and tool agnostic. What does that mean? It works with your data stack, not against it. So that's why everyone, enterprises and digital natives, choose ThoughtSpot because we deliver embedded intelligence that breaks the old boundaries of traditional analytics.